Hi students, in this session we will learn about power of a lens. What do you mean by power of a lens? Power of a lens is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. We know that a convex lens will converge the light rays and a concave lens will diverge the light rays. And how much it converge or diverge is represented by using the term power. Power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. Reciprocal of its focal length means P is equal to 1 by F. Look at these two cases, case 1 and this is case 2. In case 1, you have a convex lens and these rays, the incident light rays are converging at the focus, and the distance between the optical center and the focus is called the focal length F. In the second case, you can see this is the focal length. The focal length is more in the second case. What is power? Power is equal to 1 by F. In the first case, F is less. If F is less, power will be more. The convergence is more in the first case. Whereas in the second case, F is more. When F is more, P is equal to 1 by F. Therefore, P will be less. The convergence is less in the second case. The power of a lens is actually the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays, and it is represented as 1 by F. For a convex lens, the power of a lens will be positive. P is equal to 1 by F. The power will be positive for a converging lens. For a concave lens, the power will be negative. The power will be negative for a diverging lens. What will be its SI unit? P is equal to 1 by F. This F should be always in meters. The SI unit is known as diopter. Diopter, represented by capital D. 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Because P is equal to 1 by F. If F is equal to 1 meter, P is equal to 1 diopter. 1 diopter means 1 divided by 1 meter. Remember that this F should be always in meters. In this session, we learned about power of a lens. Power is defined as the reciprocal of the focal length. P is equal to 1 by F. And for a convex lens, the power is positive, and for a concave lens, the power is negative. SI unit is diopter. I hope you understood the chapter light. See you.